Traders are answering your questions. First up, Bennett tweets, with healthcare on somewhat of a run, what are your thoughts on Allergan trading in a range over the last couple months? Does this post-earnings dip provide an opportunity to open a position? Jim, what do you say?
Yes, I think it does. Number one, the stock seems to have bottomed. You look at the chart, it seems to have bottomed. Number two, you've got activists in there. You've got Tepper and Icon in there. Number three, it is very cheap. And along with the rest of the sector, I think it's poised to run further.
Next up, Ariel in Miami wants to know if Broadcom is a buy at this level. Doc.
Well, it's been struggling, just bouncing around at this 205, 210 range, Mel. Lone Pine dumped it. That's a pretty smart manager there, and he liquidated his stake in it. So I don't have a lot of great upside in this particular stock at this time. Sorry to say.
All right. Jeff in New Jersey says, I wanted to buy some Home Depot stock at around 191. It jumped to 195. I was wondering if this is still an okay time to get in on a purchase of HD. JJ, you are actually short the stock.
I am, and a couple of things give me concerns about it, Jim. The first being that is they talked about higher costs in their earnings call. They haven't said they're going to raise costs along with that, and they're about to spend a lot of money because they are going to make it easier to pick things up at a store. So I would be a little bit patient on this one first, and you're going to get Lowe's earnings coming up. That may give you some insight also.
All right. Jim in Florida asks for thoughts on Bank of America, and Rob is overweight financial. So what do you say?
I just think relative valuations are at 10-year lows relative to the rest of the S&P. They're aggressively returning capital to shareholders. I think that's an important part of the total return story there. Economic activities picking up, business activities picking up, and interest rates are headed higher. So when you think about the rotation that we've seen out of growth and into other sectors, I think value is going to be a beneficiary. XLF within value is going to be the biggest beneficiary.